This tutorial review will show you how to download Google Play Store on laptop computer. It's super easy to install the Play Store on your computer. First of all, open your browser and type here Google Play Store and open the Google Play Store. Once the Google Play Store opened on your browser, click on this three dot, click on More Tools and click on Create Shortcut. And now you can change your Google Play Store name from here and take this box, open as window and click on Create. Then I'm going to minimize my browser. And here we can see I've successfully installed Google Play Store on my computer. And to open the Google Play Store, double click on it. And the Play Store will open in a new window. So this is how we can install Google Play Store on laptop computer. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial Reviewer. See you in the next video.